Hello guys and welcome to another episode in Panamashot. So we're in Boquete and I wanted to show you some ideas on where to stay in Boquete when you come here. So there are two options. The first one is that you stay overnight or 2 nights on a regular hotel. I want to show you this place because this place is the best in case you're planning on staying in Boquete for at least, let's say, 5 days, 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, a month. This is the best place. It's very comfy. It's very nice to stay. The owners will help you in all the ways they can do with you stay here. There is access to little stores about 5 to 10 minutes walking. You'll find food, basic electronic stuff like cables for the cell phones. So it's very easy. So here we can see some of the views from the place. It has a very nice view to the mountains. You can see very nice weather here. The place has a small fire pit. You can do your fire at any time. Now we're going to go to one of the rooms. It has all the basic needs. It has a living room with TV, access to all of the channels like Netflix and all these paid systems. Has a freezer, has a stove, has a microwave, has a coffee machine. It has all the basics in the kitchen. So you don't need to do anything. Just buy the food, and that's it. Basically here. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom. Clean, very clean place actually. And then I'm going to show you the bedroom. This is a place for 1 or 2 persons. It's perfect if you're going with your couple and you're staying for over a week at least. So this will be the best option compared to a hotel. The hotel will be perfect for one day, 1 night, or 2 nights maximum. But this will be the best option for at least 5 days. Here's another room. You can see this actually, the owners actually put a lot of attention to many of the details here. They have about 7 cabins. It's actually a very nice place. What I liked the most was the view, and it was a very quiet place. If you have a car, you have space for the car. That shouldn't be a problem. You can see how nice it is, this place. Here's one of the mountains. So I'm going to leave you the link on the description. So if you want to access, you can actually see the place on the website, and you can reserve or rent it if you want to. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you next time. Okay, have a good day.